Hello, and welcome to my tutorial video on my Fender Amplifier. My name is Peter Smits, and I'm going to be further explaining what it is, what it does, who it's made by, and how long it's been around. Alright, so this is my Fender Frontman 15G amplifier. An amplifier is an electronic device that increases the voltage, current, or power of a signal. Amplifiers are used in wireless communications and broadcasting, and in audio equipment of all kinds. They can be categorized as either weak signal amplifiers or power amplifiers. The amplifier is made by Fender. Fender Musical Instruments Corporation is the world's foremost manufacturer of guitar, basses, amplifiers, and other related equipment. With an illustrious history dating back to 1946, Fender has touched and transformed music worldwide and in nearly every genre. The genres include rock and roll, country and western, jazz, rhythm and blues, and many, many others. Everyone from beginners and hobbyists to the world's most acclaimed artists and performers have used Fender instruments, like amps and legendary Fender instruments such as the Telecaster and Stratocaster guitars, and precision and jazz bass guitars are universally acclaimed as design classics. In the 1940s, Southern California inventor Leo Fender realized that he could improve on the amplified hollow body instruments of the day by using an innovative and rather simple solid body electric guitar design. Further, he realized that he could streamline the process of building them. Amplifiers date back to the early 1920s, to where they could only be powered with large batteries, which therefore made them very heavy to carry around. In this next clip, I'm going to explain what each knob or switch does on this amplifier, accordingly left to right. Alright, so to start it off, on the far left on the amplifier is the input slot. This is where you plug in your guitar. So one end of the cord is plugged in into the amplifier, which it then leads to the other end being plugged into the guitar. I was born in blood such a long time ago. Alright, so this is the second function on the amplifier, which is the normal volume knob. So this knob adjusts the loudness of the normal volume channel, so it can be adjusted from 1 being the quietest to 10 being the loudest. This is the third function on the amplifier, which is the gain knob. So the gain knob adjusts the amount of gain and overdrive in the drive channel in conjunction with the drive volume control. So yet again, it can be adjusted from 1 to 10, so 1 being the least amount of gain and 10 being the most amount of gain. This is the fourth function on the amplifier, which is the drive select switch. This switch activates the drive channel, so it can be switched to on and it can be switched to off. Let's tear it up. I must insist. This is the fifth function on the amplifier, which is the drive volume knob. This knob adjusts the loudness of the drive channel in conjunction with the gain control. Again, it can be adjusted from 1 being the least amount of drive volume to 10 being the most amount of drive volume. Alright, so this is the sixth function on the amplifier, which is the treble knob. So this knob adjusts the high frequency level, so it can be adjusted from 1 to 10, again from 1 being the lowest high frequency level to 10 being the highest high frequency level. This is the 7th function on the amplifier, which is the middle knob. So this knob adjusts the middle frequency level. So again, it can be adjusted from 1 being the lowest middle frequency to 10 being the highest middle frequency. This is the 8th function on the amplifier, which is the bass knob. So this knob adjusts the low frequency level, again from 1 to 10. So 1 being the lowest low frequency to 10 being the highest low frequency.
Make you feel alright.
This is the 9th function on the amplifier, which is the AUX in or aux in slot. This is where the RCA input jacks for use with a portable CD or tape player, drum machine, etc. These input jacks are not affected by the amplifier's volume or tone controls. Adjust the signal at source. This is the 10th function on the amplifier, which is the headphone slot. This slot is used for output jacks for standard stereo or mono headphones. Using this jack automatically disconnects the speaker. This jack can also be used as an unbalanced line output by using either a stereo or mono 1/4-inch phone plug connection.
Make your head spin.
Last but not least, the 11th function on the amplifier is the power switch. So this switch turns the unit on and off. So when this amplifier is plugged into an outlet somewhere, for say, and you go to turn the amplifier on, this light here will indicate that it's on, red. And when you go turn the amplifier off, the light will go out, which then indicates that the amplifier is off. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something. Who knows, I might do another video in the near future on another instrument. Who knows? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it.